Numerah. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage lost and found in Numerah. An item left behind by guests either in the room or in public area identified by any staff and brought under the notice of housekeeping is termed as lost and found items. User need to access room management to add lost and found items. Click on Lost and Found. In Lost and Found listing view, user will be able to see lost, found, returned, not found, and transfer sections. User can add new lost or found item details by clicking New. After clicking New, select Lost or Found from the drop-down. Here we are selecting Lost. All the heads which are marked with the stars are the mandatory fields. Without it, user cannot save the details. Select room number from the drop-down if any. User can search for the guest name if it is existing profile for a regular guest, or user can create new profile by clicking N. If user selects existing profile, the other details will automatically get updated. Select date and time. Enter the place if any. Enter the article, approx value of the lost item, and remark if any. Click on Save or Save and Exit button to save these lost item details. If user want to update it as a found item, click on Action button and select Found. Enter finder name, check by, date, and time. Enter the remarks if any. User can upload found item image from Upload Article Image. By clicking on plus button, user can upload multiple images of the item. Click on Save or Save and Exit button to save this found item details. Thank you.